frustrated, negativity, pessimistic? Are you fed up of all these kind of emotions throughout the day? Do you want to resolve all these kind of problems? So here's I brought you some solution to all the most common problems that you face nowadays. So hey everyone, myself Shonali Mahapatra, a student of Standard 10th of St. Arnold School. You know what? Being a student of Standard 10, I really had wishes, to spend most of the time of my academic year with my school, with my beloved teachers, with my cool friend, of course. And I think almost all the students out there might be having some kind of such kind of wishes. But this COVID pandemic served as such a barrier that we are bound to be influenced within these four walls around us, and the most that we can do is to interact with them virtually. But howsoever, initially it was very hard, but however we tried to cope up with that, and now we are however acquainted with that. But still there are some students who still they face such kind of problems. They really need some mentor and guide to to help them in this kind of situation. So I'll be listing three major kind of problems that you nowadays face, and I'll try to the best of my capabilities to solve them for you. The first problem that I've enlisted here is mental deterioration. Now, what does that mean? It means affecting your mental health. Now, it's for sure that most of the students might be facing this because you have not been to a school since 2 years and you have not gone for any holidays, you have not been to your relatives, you have not gone to your villages. Of course, it might be frustrating, but we cannot stabilize here. We need to overcome this. Now, how to do that? You can talk to your friends, family members, especially because in this COVID pandemic, you got an opportunity to spend most of the time with your family members. Now, if you got an opportunity, why not to utilize that? Isn't it? So talk to your mother if something is eating you up. You can play with the siblings as well. You can play with your neighboring friends as well. Do it. Refresh your mind. Then you can watch comedy shows as well with your family members because असली मजाक तो सबके साथ आता है, isn't it? So you can watch comedy shows with family members. You can join a laughter club also, but in this COVID pandemic, it's little hard to do that. But if you can, it's better. But if not, then it's completely okay because the ultimate motive is to stay happy and positive as much as possible. Excessive usage of mobile phones, isn't that a problem? Because in case of students, if I would say, then back then 2 years we used mobile phones, laptops only for our entertainment purposes. But nowadays, all our assignments, our homeworks, our video lectures, everything lies there. Now we cannot skip that. We have to do that anyway. We have to do that. So do it. Spend your time there. But apart from that, don't use your mobile phones for entertainment purposes like for gaming, YouTube, that stuff. Instead of that, replace your entertainment by your hobbies. You can dance, you can sing, you can art, whatever you can do. You can also adopt new habits, like you can learn new things because learning new things is always good. So you can learn cooking. Also you can help your mom and household chores as well. So however, try to limit your phone necessities because already you are spending your time in educational stuffs as well. So because excessive usage can affect your health, because it can affect our eyes, physical stagnation. So however, to remain healthy and fit, we need to limit our mobile necessities. Lagging behind in studies. No, back then 2 years we had an environment of studying. Like you had a teacher teaching you, offline classes. You had your friends. When you see them studying, and you had a competing feeling that compels you more and more to study. But now you don't have such environment. It might be frustrating, isn't it? Now you might be skipping your studies. You might be shifting your studies. But my friends, remember, shifting your present study means shifting your success. You really do not want that, right? How far can you skip? How far can you shift? The day will come when you really have to cover all your backlogs, and don't want to suffer that, isn't it? So start now. Complete all your assignments. Complete whatever you have. Do that right now. कल करे सो आज कल, आज करे सो अब. The same way. Do it right now. Do not skip that. Now, if you would start right now, it will be really hard because returning back to the same pace will be really very slow. I mean, the more perfectly, if I would say, then it would be really very slow right now if you would start. It's okay. Start slowly but steadily. Now, the minimum that you can do is attend your online classes regularly. Try at least to complete all your assignments. See, friends, we don't know what the future is going to be. We don't know how the COVID pandemic situation would be. So nowadays, your every assignments or every classes is very mandatory. Very, very, very important. So at least try to attend all your online classes regularly. Be regular in that. And if you have any other tutorial session also, then attend that. Be regular in that, because the least that you can do is attend your online classes regularly and complete all your assignments. Trust me guys, the day will come, if you maintain this pace, the day will come when you will return back to your same pace that you really had, and you will be able to study 4 and 5 hours each day. Trust me. So yeah, these were the three important, or rather the most common problems faced by every student nowadays. And if you have any other problems, do not worry, my friends, that will be really resolved. The day will come when all the problems will be resolved. Stay motivated and be optimistic. Consider this as a night. For sure, tomorrow will be bright. Stay safe, stay healthy. From July 26th, you have your school reopening in case of Odisha, I'm saying. So we are returning back to the same pace. Be cautious and take care of yourself. So yeah, that was all for today. I hope that I have at least solved a minor part of your problems. So yeah, thank you for watching the video till the end. Thank you.